tonight for a ride. Son of a... Alright, so I just had a trouble code pop up. Figure I'll take this opportunity to show you how the FP3 fuel pack can clear codes right from your phone. I just wanted to make a quick video about the Fuelpak FP3. I ended up getting it so that I can tune my 2015 Iron 883 when I put the Vance and Hines exhaust on and Arlen-S big sucker air cleaner. But there's a lot more to it than that. You can actually read trouble codes. You can clear them, which is what I'll do today. There's a lot more to it than that. You know, you can even fix decel pop, you can custom tune things, you can do an auto tune session, you can read they say horsepower, fuel mileage, all that, intervals for maintenance cycles, all that stuff. In the meantime, like I said, today I'm just going to show you how to clear trouble codes. I actually had one pop up the other day. I'll show you what it is. Because of that, I was able to figure out, you know, that it had to do with the aftermarket LED headlight that I put in. So I'm working on that, but you know, without this you'd have to be going to a dealer to find all this out. So let's get right into it. Alright, so you just start out, the ignition needs to be on and in the run position. Open up the Fuelpak app and it'll connect. Firmware update figures. Alright, now that that's over with, you're going to go to maintenance, read trouble codes. Alright, low beam output shorted high. So on this particular one, I looked it up. I'll tell you if there's anything else to go on with it. Short to voltage and low beam circuit, check for pinch damage wire. I don't think that that's actually the case here. Right now, I'm just going to clear it so you can clear all your trouble codes. Which will make that light go away. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and clear that this time. You know, given the fact that it doesn't sound like it's anything more serious, that's as simple as it is. If it was something more serious, I might go back, look into it more before I ride, but I'm going to continue on with the ride. This really is something perfect for the DIY person, you know, to have a code reader. So if you have a maintenance manual, you know, or you can go online, you can look into more about what that's all about. In my particular case, I know that I installed an LED headlamp in the existing housing and it's working perfectly, the low beam and the high beam, so I know nothing's faulted or shorted. But LEDs do require less voltage, and I think that might be what's happening a little bit, is it's just sensing that. So I'll see if there's a fix for that, or maybe I'll change out the bulb itself. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If so, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you'll know whenever I'm sending new videos your way, and hit like and let me know in the comment section below what you'd like to see. If you want to see more about how to use a fuel pack, I can look into that more and show you what I find. As always, ride safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.